Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on 16 by 16 inch canvas and I will use spider strainer and my split cup from paintpourstore.com. You can buy them there, and the colors are from yesterday's pour. This one is greenish blue with some TLP King of Paints, and this is pearl white mixture, Vallejo pearl medium with titanium white, and this is treasure gold ruby, and this is greenish blue by Amsterdam that I will use as my flow extender also. I will thin it down a bit, and this is 24K gold from Deco Art Extreme Sheen line, and I have Naples Yellow Deep by Amsterdam. Okay, my cup is done. Okay, so let's do that. let's spin that. And I'm done. Just touch my middle just a little bit to help with those lines that are already there. It was a hair or something. Okay, one more torch and checking my sides and corners. I should have probably painted before, but it will cover it quite okay, I think. And I'm glad that I kept this greenish blue negative space, and it will be a little darker when dry because this greenish blue dries a little darker, and I like that. Okay. Okay, so I will clean this up a little bit and take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. I'm in love with it because it's so beautiful with those transparent outside look with some lacing and cells from 24K gold and pearl white. And the middle part with all those lines and beautiful effects. So I really like it. Tell me what you think about it. And I like that it's quite big on these deep edged canvases, you know, and you have some nice sides here too. And when this gold will shine. I love gold and Naples yellow together because gold gives something to Naples yellow and Naples yellow takes something from the gold, and both together are just amazing. I would love to hear what you think about it in the comments, and see you on the next one. Bye!